Job of the day. I'm gonna take this hydraulic dampener out of this trailer, unbolt everything, and then he needs to have his seals rebuilt. So I'll take it to either Michael at Fat Boy or a hydraulic shop. Michael said he can rebuild them, so I'm gonna bring him over to there. Let's do it. I wonder how much fluid I'm gonna get on myself. I doubt there's actually any fluid in here. A little bit. I should have bought that kit that had the caps in it. Where the hell did all the fluid go? Alright, so we got 9/16 mounting for that. That can be taken off. So set screw, 7/8 looks like. Grab a 9/16 and get all the fluid out of this. Yeah, fluid's out of that one. And then let's get that one off. I think I take off the hydraulic lines before I do anything else. Where'd the safety bar go? Well, at least I'm under the trailer. Alright, hose is off. Let's take the pins out. Pins, hammer. Good, good. I can latch that in. Cotter keys. One done. Maybe two done. Hammer. Hydraulic swinging. Put this back in here so I don't lose pins. Really just need to learn how to rebuild these. I don't think I've ever rebuilt one, but I've seen people do it online. Looks super easy. You just got to get a rebuild kit and know what part to get, which is literally 99% of every repair ever. Pins are back in, bolts are back in. Good, let's get these off. Come on, baby. Of course you do this. Okay. Good, good. We'll leave everything zip tied together. So we know the orientation. I do need to take that off to get it through that, though. Got set screw out. That's good. That's back on there. Might as well put this back on. Product mover, shakers, and producers. Stand the future. And assembly is back together. Good. Going to clip everything's disassembled. The same relative orientation that it was. I'm gonna grab one zip tie. No, I can take that off and then pull it as an assembly. Mark it so I know which one. Good. 11/16? No, probably 5/8. And I'm gonna have to bleed this whole system as well. Tilt assembly's down, all cylinders are out, they're all out of fluid. Fluid's in there, I'm gonna dump it into a bucket. This is all out, cleaned the fluid as well. I need to clean those lines regardless. But yeah, these are nasty. Time to clean those, get them to a hydraulic shop, have the seals changed out, have everything serviced, come back out, put everything back together, bleed the system. Alright, got all the assembly out. I'm gonna start doing bearings, checking brakes, and checking lights. Tires and wheels off or off on the driver's side. I'm gonna plug in the front, make sure brakes work. Alright, I got left turn blinking, so I gotta figure out why his left turn is not working. Everything else is not blinking except for reverse lights. Obviously no reverse lights on this. See if brakes are working. Brakes are locked up, brakes are off, free spinning. How about the rear? Brakes are spinning, locked up. Brakes are off, free spinning. Just need to adjust the brakes. Alright, brakes look great, spindles look great. Rears are going on. Good. Let's clean that washer first. Washer clean. Going on. Spindle nut clean. Going on. Clean the washer. Front is on. Washer is on. Spindle nut is going on. Tighten the rear. Rear tight. Free spinning. The tire on. It's a little tight, but I'll put the tire on and verify. I think this hub was out of round. Yeah, I think it's out of round. It'll work itself in though. Good. Yeah, there we go. Had to back off the spindle nut just a touch. Tight. Back off Constellation. Right there. Good and on. Rear is clean. Front is clean. Hammer. Dust cap on the front. Dust cap on the rear. But check brakes. It's right here. Okay, rear. Free spinning. Brakes are on. Locked up. Brakes are off. Come on, box. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Front. Free spinning. Brakes are on. Locked up. Brakes are off. Come on. Brakes are off. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Thank you. My remote doesn't want to connect to my box right now. Tires and wheels are on. Driver's side. Everything's free spinning. Let's get this down to passenger side. I'm switching over to the passenger side. I'm gonna check lights. Marker lights are good. 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 It said left turn wasn't working, but it is working, so that's good. I think those 2 lights just don't have the plug in the back, so I'll check that. Right turn is working. Markers are on. Good, good fender, good fender. Good front. Do we have one on the front? Yeah, we do. All the way front? Yes, all lights are working. Except for the last, the 2 in the middle. I'll check and see if the plug just came out. But let's get these hubs off on the passenger side. Brakes look great. Magnets look good. Clip is good. Clip is good. All right, let's pack these hubs up. Alright, cleaning off spindle. Spindle clean. Cleaning off spindle. Spindle clean. Washer clean. Spindle nut clean. Spindle holder / retainer clean. Rear hub going on. Washer. Spindle nut. Oh, come on. Spindle nut on tight. Back it off just a smidge. Good. Good free spinning. Retainer on. Move to the front. Front. Washer clean. Spindle nut clean. Retainer clean. Washer on. Spindle nut on. Tight. Excess is off. Free spinning. Does feel good. Back it up just a smidge. Where are we at? Oh, we can go over there. Yes. No. Yeah? No. Back off just a smidge. There we go. That's on. Alright. Dust cap front going on. Dust cap on. Dust cap rear going on. Dust cap on. Clean. Clean. Perfect. Trash, trash. Out of the way. Let's get tires on. Big fucking Black Widow. Right. Passenger side. Free spinning. Brakes are on. Good. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Sweet. Now let's see why those rear lights. I need a flathead. Do I have a flathead? Ooh, no, but I have a pokey that'll destroy my finger if it hits me again. I'm pretty sure that this is just a plug. Yep. I just gotta find it. Come on. Come on out. Come on out. Thank you. Yep. Plug. Where are you, Mr. Plug? Got it. Tail markers on. Good. Tail markers are working. Where's the other plug? And light is on. Sweet. Knew it was just a plug. If I can just get it back in. Good. All lights work. All right. Bad fluid on this canister, so I don't accidentally pour bad .3 / hydraulic fluid into a master cylinder. All right, tilt bed's done. I tore out the hydraulics. I'm gonna have everything rebuilt for him. I'll come back out, put it back on, bleed the system. I did new bearings, new seals, new grease. His brakes were perfectly fine. All lights work. There's 2 lights that were out, but it was just the plugs that came out the back. Oh, hey, doing my walk around, make sure I didn't leave anything, which I'm happy I did. Everything else is good. Sweet, this trailer's done. I'm on to the next.